In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default payment method in Hostinger. If you want to make sure your future payments are charged to the correct card or payment option, this is a very simple setting to update. Setting a default payment method can be especially helpful if you have more than one payment option saved in your account and you want to avoid confusion during renewals or upcoming charges. To get started, make sure you're already signed in to your Hostinger account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, choose Billing. This will take you to the billing area of your account, where you can manage payment-related settings, billing details, and saved methods. If you've never visited this section before, just take a moment to make sure the page fully loads before moving on, since payment settings can sometimes take a second to appear. Once you're inside the billing section, look for Payment Methods and click on it. This is where Hostinger stores the payment options connected to your account. On this page, you should see a list of the payment methods you currently have available. Now, find the payment method you want to use as your default going forward. Next to that payment method, click the arrow to expand its options or details. This is where Hostinger gives you additional actions for that specific payment method. After expanding it, look for the Set as Default button. When you see it, click it. That will make this payment method the primary option for future billing and renewals, depending on your account setup. Once the change is applied, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the selected payment method now shows as the default. That way you can be sure the update went through successfully. If you don't see the button, it may mean that payment method is already set as the default, or that there's only one available method on the account. And that's it. As you can see, changing your default payment method in Hostinger only takes a few clicks. Keeping this updated is a smart way to stay on top of your account billing and make sure future payments go through smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.